If you don't like the idea that strangers may be listening to you or watching you in your house, this may not be the thermostat for you. I'm going to show you a couple different thermostats from a wide range of options and budgets so that you can decide which thermostat is the best for your home. All right, right here we have the ecobee Pro. This is a beautiful thermostat. It's hardy, it's made very well, it's nice and heavy, nice and solid. Now, this thermostat does have a microphone on it, and it does have a speaker on it. Now, the thing about this microphone is live. The beautiful thing is ecobee has a doorbell camera that will connect to this, and as soon as someone rings the doorbell, you will hear the doorbell on the thermostat, and a live feed. This entire screen will be your doorbell screen, so you can see who's right there. You don't have to open your phone and then open the app, and then all you have to do is go up to your thermostat, stand in front of it, see who's at your door talking to you, and you can talk back and forth to the person. So that's really cool. This thing also works with Amazon and Alexa, which is another reason it has a microphone. Now, if you're one of those people that doesn't want any microphones in your house and you've gotten rid of Amazon, Alexa, all of that, then if you have this, then just know that there's a microphone there, and it does have the capability to listen to you. There's also a camera on here, and that camera, it's not a live camera like the one that you're viewing me on. It's just infrared to sense motion so that the thermostat knows if you're home or if you're not home. That's how it generates its energy efficiency. So you can turn that energy mode on, and if it senses that no one has had any motion in the house, it can turn itself to a temperature that uses less energy. You can also turn that feature off in this thermostat. I recommend that if you have this thermostat, you do not set the Eco Plus, because what that'll do is that will give the local power company the ability to manage your temperature. I'm not a fan of it. Maybe you are. It might save you a little money on your electric bill. If you want that, do it, but at least you know what it entails. So that is the ecobee Pro thermostat, really nice thermostat. All right, they do come with these room sensors here. Now, if you have rooms that have a hard time having the same temperature as other rooms, I call them hot spots. In the wintertime, they would be cold spots. You can put these in those rooms, and the thermostat will try to average the temperature from room to room. It won't directly send more air or more heat to that room, but at least will know that that room is hot or cold. And you can set this on the desk just like that. They also come with a wall mount where you can screw and put that directly on the wall. All right. This is the older ecobee here. Now you see it has a white background. You can still see the speaker there. This one does have a microphone also. And this is the older ecobee room sensors. This is how they used to look, and the new ones. Right, so a little bit smaller, a little sleeker design there. If you just want a basic thermostat, you want it to turn on, you want it to turn off, you don't want any fancy buttons, this is the thermostat for you. Or if you have an elderly mother or father and you want something installed in their home and you want it simple as possible, this is what I recommend. This is the most common thermostat used for rental properties and generally for anyone who just wants something simple. There's no microphone in here, there's no camera in here, it doesn't run a schedule. It's just going to be on cool, on heat, set the temperature, or it's going to be off. That's it. I like this thermostat for simple applications. Honeywell does have some other options. This is slightly above the one that I just showed you. This one actually will run a scheduled program. So if you go to work and you forget to turn the thermostat off, you can schedule this to turn to a certain temperature at 8 in the morning, and then a different temperature at 5 p.m., and then a different temperature on weekends. This would be the thermostat if you wanted to do that. Now, there's another one that I actually like. It is a Honeywell, has a large face on it, and you see it in most restaurants. It's called a Honeywell 8000. That's actually my preferred thermostat when someone wants a smart thermostat that will schedule. It has a touch screen, but it doesn't have a microphone in it. It doesn't have a camera in it. So if you're security conscious, but you want all those smart features, that would be the thermostat for you. If you're not concerned about a thermostat having a microphone and a camera, then consider this thermostat here, the ecobee. It's a beautiful thermostat. And like I said, you can pair it with your doorbell and you can talk back and forth. So I hope you learned something from this video. If there's a thermostat that you like, put it in the comments and let's hear what you like, any thermostat that you found to be helpful, or if you have any other questions, put them in the comments. I'll try to address them. Have a good day.